Good day, guys. Welcome to Applied University Online. So the purpose of this channel for the moment is that we tackle questions or problems in applied electricity. We try to provide video recordings of your questions so that you can later refer to it for better comprehension and your revision. Alright, thank you. So in this video, we will be starting from the basics, and if I say the basics, I refer to the various basic laws that you will be dealing with in all our calculations. So first and foremost, we begin with Ohm's law. Right. So the Ohm's law is a very simple law that we are all familiar with, and which says that, or the Ohm's law shows the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. And by relation, we know that the V is equal to I times R. Right. So to get a voltage, you have to get current, and we multiply it by the equivalent resistance, or the resistor value. So from this, you can see we can make some change of subject to know how the parameters vary with respect to each other. So as we have V is equal to IR, we can have I is equal to V over R, where as I increases, the V2 increases, but R decreases. So this is the reason why more current, or when the resistor value of a particular resistor is high, less current passes through. So higher resistor value is equal to less currents, and the lower resistor value is equal to more current. So this is the reason resistor opposes. So if the opposition is high, the flow of current reduces, right? And if the opposition is less, the flow of current increases. All right, so just get back to this video and see how the relationship works, as in the I, the V, and the R. So you can see the I is directly proportional to the V and inversely proportional to the R. So if the I should increase, which means the R will decrease, and if the R should increase, which means the I will decrease. All right, so we're taking this brief description of the Ohm's law in this video, and in our subsequent videos we see how we can apply it as we take other laws too. All right, thanks for watching.